Hey, it's Gareth and Janet from Port Monkeys, and we're in Ketchikan, Alaska. We came on that ship over there, the Crown Princess. Now, the lumberjack show is in that red building with the green roof. But we're going to take a little walk up Creek Street. I just wanted to show you the Stony Moose, in case you roll that way. Anyway, here's Creek Street. Now, all through Ketchikan, they have these signposts. There's a signpost up ahead giving you directions. We're just going to walk up Creek Street all the way up Married Man's Trail to Park Avenue. So there's this overlook here. There was a seal down here a few minutes ago. Take that seal. Let's go. I'm not going to really tell you about Creek Street other than to say the houses apparently were built out over the water so that they could be, bordellos, houses of ill repute. Also, they've done some work up here, and some things are a little bit different, but they've added these salmon because it's the Salmon Walk. So this is called Salmon Walk now. Creek Street. There are spiders everywhere. I never noticed them before. Like every sign has a spider web on it. Anyway, that's Ketchikan Creek, and it's full of salmon right now. That's why the seagulls are here. And this is Dolly's. It's like a museum. Dolly's House Tour, $10. Like a museum of a old, bordello. Perfect Partners, Niblick's General Store. So Alaskan Gold, Australian Opal. Niblick's. Yeah, things like that. This is still industrial and opal place. A lot of these carved wood. This place is closed. We may be the last ship of the season. I don't know. There's historical signs all along. Of course, there's also signs all along advertising stuff. Poker Creek Gold. Arctic Gold. Poker Creek Gold. Guess they can't make up their mind. Of course, maybe Poker Creek is in the Arctic. I don't know. Sam McGee's warehouse. They all have like a wall, when you try to enter them. And they're playing the same song, so I wonder if that's the same place. So, look down there. I'm going to move the camera down. See all the salmon laying around there? They're not sleeping. Well, they're sleeping with the fishes. So, Fish Creek Company says welcome, but the door is closed. I think this door here is open. Let's go out on this lookout. This is where we saw the seal earlier. Oh, he's right. No, that's a bird. Oh, there he is. Well, you can see his head. Her head. Oh, here's one right down below us. So, camera shot. And you probably can't see through the water that well, but it's just full of salmon. They have white backs now because they've been skinned, losing some scales, swimming upstream. No rain, no flowers. We are almost at the end of Creek Street. It's not a very big place. So here's Creekside Trading Company. There's another place that's closed. I call it 11. This is the Cape Fox Lodge funicular. and it hasn't worked in a few years. We did ride it once. We made a video going up there. Cape Fox Lodge is that building up there. It's a lodge. It's a hotel. You can walk up to it around this bend. We're going to be partway there. You just have to finish the journey. We're not going to walk up there today. Berths, that's where the ships are. Ship, in this case. Salmon Walk, Park District, Married Man's Trail, Fish Ladder. You can go around that way, or you can go this way. We're going to go this way. Soho Coho. It's a lot of Ray Troll stuff in there. In fact, let's circle around and put the camera in. I don't want to bother anybody. Some people say no photography. So, not very many. I mean, it's advertising, right? This is the Eagles Club. There's a seal right there. See him sitting there? There's 100 dead salmon and 1,000 live ones. This is Soho Coho. Got ink. I have some t-shirts from in there. This is some of his work. Ray Troll. And Alaska Eagle Arts Gallery. Drink like a fish. See? Spider. Oh, I think I disturbed his web. Number 2. And this is the official end of Creek Street, right here. And this is the Alaska Salmon by Terry Clyde. I'm going to let you get a good look at that and turn the camera that way. And of course, dead salmon. Now if you watch out there, you might see them jump. I guess that's seagulls flying over. Let's go up. So, see the salmon? So this, they now call this Salmon Walk, but it was Married Man's Trail. You know, because married men would sneak out of the buildings here and back home. Does that make sense? Now it's all wood and not really a trail, it's a stairway. Tongass Historical Museum. Remember, this is the Tongass Forest. See the ship? Crown Princess. And up there, if you look up, you'll see a stairway that joins with this one going up to the Cape Fox Lodge. If you want to take some stairs up there since the funicular isn't working. You could also go around on the roads. There's roads that go up there. A road. Because it's a hotel. You see how long that stairway is? It's way up there. So here's one of the signs. Fish hatchery is closed to the public. Still. I'm gonna walk out here. Ketchikan Creek down there. Some graffiti here. Another salmon sign. And that's it. This is the top. You can walk up Park Avenue and get to the city park, and there's the Totem Heritage Museum's up there. Not sure if I'm naming that correctly, but we went in there in one of our videos. from Ketchikan. Of course, this is Alaska. I know I didn't say that, or I probably didn't. Ketchikan, Alaska. Now, that's where you're going to see some fish jumping. See them? Of course, they're probably pretty small in this video, but we'll wait it out. Let's go to the bridge. I'm going to hold this over there. There! See that one? The 360s, you know, everything's kind of small. You see them going by the wrong way, see? And then they catch their breath down here. These fish have breath. And they swim back. There's one up under the bridge trying. There, see that? See that? Right up here by the rock. 3-1, 3-1. Anyway, let's go out here. I think Ray Troll made this, since his name's on there, at least the artwork. Ketchikan Creek goes all the way up there into the mountain. I see a salmon in there. Anyway, so from Ketchikan, Alaska,
I'm Janet.
and I'm Garrett.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.